Hello, to clone apps on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll down until you find the the apps right here, and here we have dual apps option, so you simply go in here, and as you can see there's an information that you can create 23 dual apps, so let's create, and right here we have recommended applications to copy, to clone, and here are other applications, as you can see, which does support dual app function. So basically all you have to do is enable, for example, if you want 2 TikToks, you have to enable this, and as you can see the phone is right now creating the clone, and right now the clone has been created. So let's take a look. As you can see, here is the TikTok application with this little yellow circle, and let me type in TikTok, and as you can see here we have 2 applications. So basically that's how to clone apps on your Xiaomi Poco X7. Thank you for watching.